Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a theme or app icon on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So guys, first of all, open your settings application on your phone. Then after that, you are going to scroll your screen until you find the themes option, this one. Tap on the themes option, and if you want to change the theme of your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can just tap on the themes option. Then you're going to click on the top right here, and you can filter the theme to get the free theme. So we can tap on this option, then we can click on free to use the free theme. Okay, then you can select the theme that you want to apply to your phone. You can just tap on the theme like this. After that, you can click on download option right here, and after the theme has been downloaded, you will be able to apply this theme to your phone. And for the app icon, the process is almost the same. So we can tap on the icons option, then you're going to select the app icon that you want to apply to your phone. You can tap on the top option, then you can select the app icon that you like. For example, I'm going to select this one. Tap on the icon, then you can click on download, and after the app icon has been downloaded, the apply button will appear. Then you will be able to apply the app icon to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can change a theme or app icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.